How to fix Messenger notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting, search, do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb. Now here you will see do not disturb, and if you want to turn off do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off do not disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on notification. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps, search messenger app. Now click on messenger app, scroll down, click on notification. Now here you will see low notification, and if you want to turn on notification, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, update messenger. Open setting, again click on apps, search messenger app, click on messenger, scroll down, click on app detail in store. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update messenger, then click on update. After click on update, messenger will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messenger cache. Again open setting, again open app, again search messenger app. Now click on messenger, scroll down, click on storage. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messenger cache will be clear from your phone. This is how you can fix messenger notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.